If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To find help in Photoshop, select Help, Photoshop Help from the menu bar to open the Discover window in Photoshop. The Discover Help window in Photoshop shows a home screen when you open it, which contains navigation and search tools at the top of the window to help you find help about specific content. The Browse section below that lets you browse to learn Photoshop by Help topic features like hands on tutorials, quick actions, and what's new. You can click any of these to show the related information within the Discover window. To return to the previous window view when using the Discover window to browse help topics, click the back left pointing arrow button in its upper left corner. Alternatively, to display the home screen again, click the Home Screen button, which looks like a small house and which appears in the upper right corner of the Discover window. In the home screen, you can also click the links under the Resources section to access online help resources when you are connected to the internet. These pages then open within your computer's default web browser. You can close the web browser when finished using them to return to the Discover Help window. To search for help about a specific topic in Photoshop, type the search term you want to find into the Find Tools, Help, and More field at the top of the Discover window. Then either press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the term you typed, or select a related topic choice from the drop-down menu that appears. If you search for a term, related help topics then appear in the Discover window, grouped by help topic type, like Tools and Features, Help, and Hands-on Tutorials, for example. You can click any of these links to access the related help material. To close the Discover Help window in Photoshop when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.